if you see the US market, the chart is opening. Just wait for a while. This is the US market, what we call US 500. This index is based on 500 stocks of the US. Now there was, this is the 21-day moving average, the blue line which you see, like it is going like a snake, right? It is also giving, there was one indication over here when it made a green candle above this, but after that it is making two red candles. Today is also, it is almost red, and the chances are that the market may fall further. So if market falls further, you have to wait for the market to reach here at this level to take a long position. That is, till then you have to have patience. The market may come down to this level, and after that we can see that there is some possibility of marketing regaining from this level. Till then, I would not advise any of my friends and relatives to go long in this market, because the market, the chart structure which it's showing is weak. Now we will go to the Indian markets. What does the Indian market say? See, this is chart of the Indian market. This is of IDFC Bank. Ideally, IDFC Bank, if I see here, it was started a long rally from the level, I just want to put you, from 78 rupees to one way to up to 134 rupees. It went straight, just went on going up. But once it has reached this peak, there is going to be a huge correction, and it may come to this level. So when it comes to this level, now there is one more indication. When you see this ADX, this white line is showing us that it is below 21 point. That means there is no strength in the move, and green is coming down, and if red goes up this way and even the white line goes up, there will be a strong bearish phase in this stock, and it may touch to 104 rupees. So once it touches 104 rupees, you may think of buying this stock. So what you do is you place your order here and stop loss below this. This is for an investment purpose, and the target you can have at this level. We don't want to be greedy, so we are losing. We will be making 15 rupees, and if it goes down, we'll be losing around 9 rupees. So this is for a long-term investment, and we can definitely fine-tune it here. So what I do is, I will put a price alert. Once is reaches 105, I will put a buy order at the rate 104. So this is, I'm going to make it automated. So as and when it comes here, I'll get a signal and I will take a buy order. Now this was for the IDFC Bank. Now what we'll do is we will analyze the Nifty, what the Nifty says. See, this is the Nifty chart. And purposely I have kept this ADX indicator. Now looking at the indicator, it is below 20, that white line. It shows the speed and the strength. So there is no strength. But can you see this red line, which is a negative line, which says that there is going to be a more fall in this market. So, and along with this, if the red line is going up and this is crossing between 20 to 40, we can see a heavy fall. Today also the market, if you see, the market opened at a gap down here at this level and it tried to touch yesterday's closing and then it came down. So right now, I'm not getting a good signal to go long at this level. What I can do is, if I want to enter in Nifty future, I will wait for the market to come down to this level. My stop loss will be below here. That is, say the stop loss will be around 120 rupees and my target will be this much. So I'll be making 583 points, and if I'm losing 128 points. So it is, my loss is say about 1 rupees, but I'm making more than 4.5 rupees. So if you have a why, many people will ask why I'm taking this level. See, the taking this level is very important. If I enlarge this chart, see, there was a drop, there were two red candles, then there was one small indecisive candle that I called this as a neutral gear. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 candles gapped up. Every day there was a gap up opening and 4 candles, you can see this bullish candle. So even my stop loss is somewhere here, my target, right? So this is the way, if you plan your trades, you can make money. See, this was where I have planned. The strength of this, that once it comes here, I will book my profit and let the market wherever it wants. Now for the new people, I have made here, one is this Nifty dividend paying 50 companies. So these companies are dividend paying company. What you have to look is, which are the companies which have fallen down, right? So I'll close this chart just to make you understand. Now, cyanide, there is some call from the Sher Khan. Let me see what is the call. So research call. The research call. Three, 4. So let me see what does the chart tells me, because it is in an uptrend, but for the last 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, it's in a sideways. And this is a good buy at this level, right? So what I can do is I can put my entry over here, 1708, then stop is over below this, and my target can be, it was 1799. I can keep this target also. I'm getting 2 is to 2.4, right? If I'm losing 1 rupees, I'm making 2 rupees 40 paise. Just for the training and educational purpose, what we will do is, we will put a trade of 1 share only. So this is my, okay. Now what I can do is, I can put a trade here for educational purpose. I will not buy 135. I'll buy only 1 share, right? And I will remove the bracket also. I'll put a normal order. So as and when it comes, I can put this for up to 27th, right? As and when it comes till 27 October, my trade will get executed. So I'll place an order and I'll say confirm. So my order is placed. So as and when it comes at this level, 1708.55, automatically this system will catch my order and the order will execute, right? And then once it is executed, I will trigger this stop loss, that I will put an order that if it goes below this, the trigger price, my share should be sold out. And plus I will put one more order that once it reaches this level of 1776, my profit should be booked. So this I will do it if you, all of you, to want to do it in an automated way. So now this is one way of looking it. Now there is, this was a small cap. Now we will see that small cap, they have a very bright chance of going very fast, and they give us a tremendous profit. Even I have mutual fund where I have invested the same amount. Say every month I'm investing 2,000 rupees in small cap, 2,000 rupees in mid cap, and 2,000 rupees in large cap. But the small cap is giving me the highest return. Within 3 years, I have doubled the money what I have invested in small cap. Mid cap is around 70% and large cap is around 60%. So maximum profit which I am making, or maximum gain which I am making, is in the small cap. Now let's see which are the small caps company which have gone below. We have seen this IOB. I think we can, let me look for Exide Industries. Why I'm choosing the Exide Industries is because nowadays there are vehicles which are coming with electronic EV vehicles, electronic. They are not working on the conventional fuel like petrol and gas, but they are working on batteries. So the demand of the battery is going to increase. Now here what I will do is, the daily chart, the moving average is also giving me a red signal that this index is going to, particularly this script is going to fall. So I'll go to the weekly chart. And in weekly chart, I will try to find out a good level where I can enter in the market. So here I get this level from this body to wick, that is 238 on a weekly chart. So I can go long here. So what I will do is, I'll put an entry over here and then stop loss over here. And my target is somewhere here, right? So I am losing around, say, 10 rupees 85 paise if the trade is not in my favor. But if trade goes in my favor, I am making 25 rupees 25 paise. So this is the way you have to plan your trade. So now to trigger this automatically, what I will do is I will purposely put a one share so that I can take a decision looking at the world market, looking at the Nifty and looking at this script at that time. One share is, if I lose 10 rupees, it's not going to make much of a difference. But at that time, once I'm in the trade, then I can take more 100 shares, 500 shares, 1000 shares, depending upon my capital at that time and depending upon my risk capacity and depending on what the world market says and what the Nifty says. So what I will do is I'll place the order for one share here. I will not put a bracket order purposely, and I will put a normal, because bracket order, I'm just buying a one share, and if I'm losing money is only few rupees. So, and the trade is valid till I can put up to, because this is on a weekly chart, so I will put up to 12th November, that is Sunday, so it's not going to work. So I'll put up to 10th November, that is Friday, and I'll place it here. So as and when it comes in this level, my order will get executed of one share, and then I can take a decision whether I want to stay long in this share or I want to buy more share, or one share is enough, right? So this is the way you have to start your baby steps in this market. Now this was about small cap. Let's go for the, now what does this says? Indices. Indices will give us that which particular index, like PUC Bank, it is going down by 1.39% today. Media is going down minus 1.18% today. So all these banking sectors, even the metal sectors, are going down. Nifty Bank was down by 0.72%. IT is down. So you can make out that which indices are working in against the Nifty or with the Nifty. So now if I press OK, so dividend 50 point share, I mean that index is almost 2% up. So this is the dividend. Now in this dividend, we'll see which company we have to see. Emphasis, Infi, Indian Bank, Indus Tower, all these banking and IT sectors are going down. So we will avoid it, and we'll see which are the companies which are going up. Now HCL Tech, again, it's an exception. All IT companies are going down, but HCL Tech is going up, so I will avoid that share, but I can go for Hindustan Lever, right? Let's open the chart of Hindustan Lever. Yeah, see, Hindustan Lever is in a sideways, but today it made a very big candle, right? From sideways it was going down, and today there is a very big candle. But still, I will go for a weekly chart. Oh, this is a weekly chart, so I'll go for a daily chart to identify my level of entry. Yes. If I look at the Nifty chart, daily chart of this Hindustan Lever, it is in a supply zone. So it is in a supply zone, right? There is going to be a selling pressure over here. So if I want to go long in this share, I will go long at this level. From body to week, I will take it. My entry will be 2516.20. My stop loss will be below this level, and my target will be this level. So if I am losing 14 rupees 35 paise, and if I am making profit, I am making profit of 41 rupees. So again, for educational purpose, I will just buy one share over here, right? And I will remove this bracket order. I'll put a normal order because we are here to learn and make a good profit. Once we are through placing this normal order, then we will start taking intraday or daily trade or a weekly trade, and then we'll put the stop loss and the target at one go, right? So this is how it is. I'll place it. Okay, this is a holiday, I understand. So what I will do is I will make this up to 31st October and I will place it. So as and when this price will come at this level, one share order will be executed, and then I will take a decision looking at the international market, Nifty, and this sector, and plus my capital and my risk taking capacity. So I can take 100 shares, 500 shares, 1000 shares, depending on all this. So this is how it is going to work. So I am placing this order. I hope you people like this video. Till then, I will end the session, and if you like it, you can share with your friends.